Oh, if you got a 2000 Scion, 2006 Scion, and you are going to install a radio, you're going to need a mounting kit. You're going to look at 958202. This is short version, and then you're going to need a wiring harness. I will link it on the in this screen right here. So on the bottom left. So basically, you cannot, on a lot of radio, you cannot use the same bracket because we got the boss right there. It is XVM296BT. So what you're going to have to do, since you cannot use the metal, you want to put it right here. This is going to be the bottom on right here and the top right there. So you mount it right there. You're going to have to use one of this plastic welder here. If you're not, you're going to have a tough time. You probably spend hours and hours and it's never going to work. So this is how you do it. So I got this. I will link it. All you have to do is push this button and you're going to see that thing going red right there. See that? So it's going to red. So you're going to put it down and leave it. Don't go too deep because it's going to go through. You leave it down, let go. And there you go. And that is how you do this radio to make it easier. If not, you're going to spend all day doing it. Caught. Don't work too hard. Work smart. Here we got 1, 2, 3. We got 6 of them right there. So I'm just making sure it's not going to come right off. Here it is right there. Let me go get that Huffmer from the waiting room. Hey, buddy. Do you ready to see this, man? Yeah, see it. There's one of my good customer right there. This guy got a car lot not too far from me. What do you think, buddy? Looks good. But you're lined up in every area, man. Clean. Yeah, I had to do that bypass. I mean, vents, the LEC vents are all lined up in every alley. The radio, this looks back. Yeah, there's my good customer right here. Oh, yeah. Hey, thanks. Thank you, bud. Alrighty.